Hey Raksha, what's up today?
Hello. So today we are here at Bangalore GPO and we are going to be doing an interesting walk, which is the Cubbon Park Heritage Trail, which goes through different statues, different historical monuments within the park, and it talks about different era of Bangalore and how it has evolved. So that's what we are doing here, and we are part of Bengaluru Prayana. So Bengaluru Prayana, it started with a small initiative that we wanted to explore Bangalore as a city. So whenever we talk about what's there in Bangalore, people always suggest things that are outside of Bangalore, like Nandi Hills or Skandagiri Hills or something. But nobody talks about what's there in Bangalore itself. And our city has so many beautiful hidden gems, which not many people know. Locals do know about it, but everybody takes it for granted. So we thought that we should start actually promoting stuff that is there within our city. And that's where Bengaluru Prayana came into birth. It's a brainchild of me and Divya. So Divya is my other partner and my name is Raksha. And so that's where we are here.
Thank you. I see some cover. What is this?
So this is something that we always give return gift to our attendants who come over here as part of the walk. So this time what we have done is we have actually got, sorry, it's taking a bit of time. Yeah, so this is a plantable pencil. So what happens is once we use this pencil, we can use the end part of the pencil as a plantable seeds. So you just place it in a pot diagonally and it grows into a plant.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So that's an eco-friendly gift that we are giving.
Good. Thank you. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ IT ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ VRS ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮೈ ಇದು ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್, ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್.
ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
Super. Hi Divya.
Hi,
He took off the camera.
Divya. I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Kshitij. I'm originally from Mumbai and now in Bangalore I'm doing PhD in the field of astrophysics.
Super.
Because every childhood or every person, it's like a dream to come to Cubbon Park if you are in Bangalore. So Cubbon Park was like the plan, everything was executed by a chief engineer called Richard Sankey. So he was the one who planned it. Initially it was just 100 acres. Then later on it was named as named after Sir John Meaday. It was called as Meaday's Park. He was the longest serving commissioner, so it was named after him. Then later on Sir Mark Cubbon came, so he was also the commissioner. Then later it got renamed as Cubbon Park, and again in 1927 it was renamed again as Chamarajendra Park to mark the Silver Jubilee celebration of his rule in Mysore. So it was not named as Chamarajendra Park. So Cubbon Park, it is about 300 acres. It is maintained by Department of Horticulture. It has about 6,000 plus trees, and one fact is it has about 96 species which is bought outside India.
Oh,
The first silver oak was bought from Australia and introduced in Bangalore here. So that's about Cubbon Park. And in Bangalore there are many statues which were installed who has contributed to the development of the city and nation. So first statue is King Edward. He was a king, emperor of India. He ruled from 1901 to 1910. He was the eldest son of Queen Victoria. So it was a mark of respect. So they have installed this statue. So it was sculpted by Leonard Jennings. So both son and mother statue is just here. If you go ahead in
Okay.
Queen's Park, it's the in India. In that, this is one of the original statues. So it is in the original place and it is not being shifted to any other place. So to sculpt this statue, they raise funds right after her death. So in and around cantonment area, the military people raise funds to get this
install
installed.
this statue.
And I think all other statues have been moved to different places, right? This is the only one
Only
which
one,
is
yeah.
here.
This one, the one in Madras, Kolkata and Vizag.
Oh, okay.
It's in the original place.
Great.
So this is Cubbon statue. This is done with respect and remembrance of the one whom this park is named, Cubbon Park. So he was the longest serving commissioner. So initially this statue was inside the High Court premises. Because of security reasons, they have
Shifted here.
shifted it here.
Bye.
Bandstand was placed for performances, mainly for the people from the military and the residents of the military. So it's basically they introduced the concept from England. So where in open spaces where the musicians or the other guys used to come and do their performances,
Entertain people.
entertain people. Yeah.
Nice.
There's one in Lal Bagh also, the bandstand.
Oh.
And I believe, so the Silver Jubilee one which Divya mentioned about Cubbon Park when it was renamed as Chamarajendra whatever park.
Chamarajendra Park.
Yeah, so that one, there was a grand performance that happened over here
Yeah.
during that
Oh.
time. And also I think now Department of Horticulture and Department of Kannada and Culture, these guys, they actually collaborate and they conduct events on Sundays.
Yeah.
Yeah, even now.
Yeah, even now.
Oh, great.
Sunday morning, you come early, there will be performances. So this is High Court actually. This was called as Athara Kacheri before. So Athara means 18 departments or public offices. Before, like all the public offices of Vidhan Saudha was here. Now it's completely shifted to Vidhan Saudha. Now it's completely High Court. So it was the plan, conceptualization, everything was done by Bowring. So if you know, there's one Bowring Institute in
Hospital.
Bangalore. So yeah.
Not scared of anything.
So this is Chamrajendra Odair Bahadur statue. He ruled Mysore from 1881 to 1894. So during his period, the Bangalore Palace, the Lal Bagh Glass House, so all these things were built during his rule.
Okay.
So the statue which is there is done in remembrance of Sheshadri Iyer. So he was the longest serving Diwan of Mysore. He served for 18 years. He is also known as the maker of modern Bangalore.
Oh, okay.
So he was the one who started the Shivana Samudra hydroelectric project and Vani Vilas Sagar Dam, which is in Chitradurga. And so he was a very good administrator and he has done a lot of developmental works. So, and this is called as Sheshadri Memorial Hall, which is now a central library. So it has about more than 3 lakh books. It is just a reference library. You can't borrow books from here. And they have a separate section for visually impaired people.
Oh, okay.
So they have a separate section, and it is more than 100 years old, and it is one of the oldest
And it's getting updated as well? Periodically updated
Yes,
as well?
yes, yes.
With new arrivals?
Yes. And it is one of the oldest library in Bangalore.
Statues that are installed over here as well. So there's Mahatma Gandhi there, which was installed in 2014 and it was inaugurated on his birthday itself, October 2nd. And there's Nehru and there's Ambedkar.